Primary goals of this project were allow branch NAT users to use branch NAT with segmentation. Prior to 9.6 didn't work, now it does work. Secondary goal was to make branch NAT rules work in the non-default segment. When you're creating a branch NAT rule in 9.6 to use the segmentation capability we've added, when you add a rule that says any, you will be able to pick the source segment. Like, because we're saying any LAN interface in whatever segment you've picked. But if you pick a specific interface, like I pick BWAN 9 here, then it already knows what segment is associated with that interface, and you can't pick the segment. One thing I want to be very clear on is that when you create these, this is not an exhaustive discussion on what to do with NAT rules and how they work. I don't want to try to describe all the different various use cases, but I do want to explain the fact that this is not for inter-segment hopping. So when we say branch NAT support with segmentation, what that means is that in a single segment, like the default segment, you can make branch NAT translations in the segment, or in the guest segment, or the corp segment. You can do branch NAT translations in that segment. But if you want to hop segments, if I want to say jump from the guest corp, or I want to go from corp to default segment leaking stuff, then you need to use the inter-segment routing and DNAT screen. Totally different feature. There is one important upgrade implication here is prior to 9.6, you could have created NAT rules that are dormant or not working. You upgrade to 9.6, and now that rule actually does something because it suddenly works.